Winter Sonata, folks. January 24th, 2025. The historical winter storm brought snow and slick to Houston metro area. Then right here, my neighborhood lake, Riverstone Ranch. After the snow gone, the sun come out. That beautiful scenery. Look at that. And it lake stretched about 3/4 mile long. And just a beautiful snowstorm that I've been in Houston for 40 years. 2004, 2017, 21, but we never see such thing like this. At my area, about 6 inch of snowfall, and I'm just out here enjoying just a beautiful the aftermath. Now the snow, the temperature is rising, snow start melting, and you gotta be careful here because it's slick. I can ski the hell out of it. Wake up, speak Chinese. Look at that. On that side, I see folks start coming out. Enjoy the beautiful snow. Be careful right here. We don't know when it will return. But I tell you, it's just a beautiful winter sonata. Look at that. Look at that tree. Okay. So I do this video, upload my YouTube channel. Hope I get a viral or something. Just kidding. Right there, I'm coming back. Yeah, look at that. Wow. It's beautiful. It is. Look right here, see? Look at that, see? So, it very deep, very white. Temperature now like 35 Fahrenheit. So it's very pleasant, but it's beautiful scenery. Beautiful sky. Ooh, that's a bird. That's an egret. That's some There, I see folk on the other side enjoying snow and will not know when they return. Look at that, see? Footprint right here. It's just like Glacier National Park, Yellowstone, Grand Teton, but it's actually here, folks, Houston, Texas. And right here down from where I stay, it's like 25 miles from Galveston. So it's called the Wonderland, Winter Wonderland, in the south side. There you go, see? Hopefully you like my video. Click like, comment. Okay? This is Riverstone Ranch, Neighborhood Lake, Houston, Texas, USA. Section 8. I've been here 21 plus years. And I'm telling you, I never see anything like this. Beautiful. Breathtaking. And that's my house right there, see? And you can see the snow about to melt. See, I turn around one more time and wrap up video. Okay? Right there. Winter Sonata, historical snowstorm. Feel blessed. Hope everyone stay warm and be careful out there.